Building a pig house is an endeavor that combines practicality with creativity, an exercise in understanding both the needs of the animals and the principles of sturdy construction. To embark on this project, one must first appreciate the fundamental requirements that ensure the well-being of pigs, as well as the durability of the structure itself. The journey begins with selecting an appropriate location. This decision is pivotal as it influences the health and productivity of the pigs. Ideally, the site should be on slightly elevated ground to facilitate drainage and prevent waterlogging, which could lead to unsanitary conditions. It should also be sheltered from harsh winds and direct sunlight, providing a comfortable environment throughout the year. Accessibility is another crucial factor. The site should be easy to reach for feeding, cleaning, and maintenance purposes. Once the site is chosen, the next step is to design the layout of the pig house. The design should accommodate the number of pigs you intend to raise, keeping in mind that pigs require ample space to move around comfortably. A good rule of thumb is to allocate at least 8 to 10 square feet per pig. This space ensures that the pigs have enough room to express natural behaviors, which is essential for their mental and physical well-being. The structure itself should be robust, capable of withstanding the elements and the considerable strength of the pigs. Wood and metal are popular choices for building materials due to their durability and availability. The walls should be solid enough to prevent escape and to protect the pigs from predators. Ventilation is another critical aspect. Proper airflow helps to control temperature and reduce the buildup of harmful gases like ammonia. Windows or vents should be strategically placed to maximize air circulation without creating drafts that could chill the animals. The flooring of the pig house requires special attention. It should be easy to clean and provide good traction to prevent injuries. Concrete is a common choice for flooring due to its durability and ease of maintenance. To enhance comfort, a thick layer of straw or wood shavings can be added as bedding. This not only provides insulation but also absorbs moisture and waste, keeping the pigs dry and comfortable. Feeding and watering systems are integral components of the pig house. Automatic feeders and waterers can save time and ensure a consistent supply of food and water. However, they should be checked regularly to prevent malfunctions. The placement of these systems should be convenient for both the pigs and the caretaker, allowing easy access while minimizing spillage and waste. The pig house should also include designated areas for different activities. A resting area with ample bedding is essential for the pigs to relax and sleep. A separate feeding area helps to keep food clean and reduces competition among pigs. Additionally, a wallowing area is beneficial, as pigs use mud to cool down and protect their skin from parasites and sunburn. If space allows, an outdoor run can provide additional enrichment and exercise opportunities. Sanitation is a key consideration in maintaining a healthy pig house. Regular cleaning is necessary to prevent the buildup of waste and the spread of disease. The design should facilitate easy cleaning, with sloped floors and proper drainage to remove waste efficiently. Disinfectants can be used periodically to maintain hygiene, but care should be taken to use products that are safe for animals. In terms of security, the pig house should be designed to prevent escape and protect against predators. Fencing should be sturdy and high enough to deter animals such as dogs or coyotes. Gates should be secure yet easy to open for the caretaker, ensuring that daily tasks can be performed without hassle. As with any construction project, budgeting is an important aspect of building a pig house. Costs can vary widely depending on the materials used, the size of the structure, and the complexity of the design. It's wise to plan for both initial construction costs and ongoing maintenance expenses. Investing in quality materials and construction techniques can save money in the long run by reducing the need for repairs and replacements. Finally, it's important to consider the environmental impact of the pig house. Sustainable practices, such as using recycled materials and implementing systems for waste management, can reduce the ecological footprint of your operation. Solar panels or rainwater collection systems can also be integrated to make the pig house more eco-friendly and cost-effective. Building a pig house is more than just a construction project. It is an opportunity to create a nurturing environment for these intelligent and social animals. By carefully considering their needs and designing a space that promotes their health and happiness, you not only enhance their quality of life, but also contribute to a more sustainable and productive farming operation. The satisfaction of seeing your pigs thrive in a well-designed home is a reward in itself, a testament to the thoughtful planning and hard work that went into creating their sanctuary.